it's moving because of all the wind. Look at that. It's moving fast. The wind is really strong. Look at that, how fast that is. It's really moving fast. See that? It's really moving fast. Look at this over there. Look how fast that is. That is how strong the wind is. And that is how low the cloud is. That cloud is very low. See that? And it's moving so fast. It's moving fast, so fast. Look at that. You don't even need a time lapse here. It's really moving fast because of all that wind. It's such a windy day today. Look at that from the point of view of my tree. Look at how much pressure that wind is giving on my tree. And the clouds are just moving, moving, moving. Wow, it's really fast. And look at the top over there. It's moving fast too. How fast it is.